1. Vladimir Putin went to law school. Vladimir Putin was born in 1952 in Leningrad, Russia, now called St. Petersburg. He and his parents lived in a shared apartment with another family and attended the local primary and high school. Vladimir enrolled at Leningrad State University after high school and began studying for a law degree. After graduating with his law degree, Vladimir sought out a job in the intelligence industry and decided to serve his country at the same time. 2. He was a member of the KGB. Immediately after graduating with his law degree, Vladimir joined the KGB in an administrative position. Vladimir served in the KGB for 15 years and traveled all over Russia, even making it to Germany for a few years. He rose through the ranks of the KGB and eventually reached lieutenant colonel before the country started to have issues. After the Soviet Union collapsed, Vladimir left the KGB and decided to start his political career. 3. Vladimir Putin began his political career working for his mentor. After he retired from the KGB, Vladimir Putin held a position at the Leningrad State University for a short time before starting his career in politics. During his time as both a student and employee at Leningrad State University, Vladimir formed a friendship with mentor Anatoly Sobchak. Sobchak was the first democratically elected mayor of Leningrad, now called St. Petersburg. Vladimir quickly became an official advisor to Sobchak and made a name for himself, setting the stage for his political rise to power. 4. He quickly worked his way up the political ladder. By 1994, Vladimir had earned himself the title of deputy mayor under Anatoly Sobchak. After Sobchak's time as mayor came to an end, Vladimir packed up and moved to Moscow and joined the presidential staff. Putin started as a deputy head of management in 1998, moved to the head of the Federal Security Service, and by 1999 was promoted to prime minister. By the end of 1999, current President Boris Yeltsin resigned and appointed Vladimir as acting president, from then on remaining in a seat of power until this day. 5. Vladimir Putin protected Edward Snowden. Vladimir Putin made the relationship with the U.S. more tense after he helped a wanted U.S. information leaker evade U.S. authorities. In 2013, an IT worker by the name of Edward Snowden leaked classified information about personal customer information collected by the U.S. government. After fleeing the U.S., Snowden traveled from country to country seeking asylum until the U.S. nullified his passport while he was in Russia. Vladimir granted Snowden asylum and gave him the option to apply for citizenship in the future. 6. Vladimir Putin has a Nobel Peace Prize nomination. Another connection that Vladimir Putin and Edward Snowden have is their Nobel Peace Prize nomination in 2014. Snowden was nominated for his information leak, and Putin was nominated for his peaceful solution to Syria's use of chemical weapons. Vladimir's friendship with the president of Syria, Bashar al-Assad, was the likely reason for his success. Vladimir Putin persuaded Assad to surrender Syria's weapons peacefully, as opposed to the other option of aggressive intervention. 7. He is an advocate for animal rights. A softer side of Vladimir Putin shows his love and care for animals. He has a small pack of dogs at his home and makes a strong effort to assist in the research of various animal species, such as tigers, polar bears, dolphins, and cranes. He also pushes for laws for better treatment of animals. The law on responsible treatment of animals prohibits petting zoos inside of malls and restaurants, prohibits the killing of stray animals, and requires proper care for pets.